Casa Gratitud, a little house, a world of wonder. Welcome to Casa Gratitud, perhaps the most interesting little house in el Valle de Antón. The typical retreat, but a jewel shaped by the sensibility of an artist and the hand of an architect. Here, every corner is a surprise. Shifting through clay and stone, spaces unfolding unexpectedly into gardens, intimacy dissolving into sky. A home that feels both playful and profound, like a box of secrets waiting to be discovered. Casa Gratitud is not designed for the ordinary. It is a refuge for the curious, for dreamers, for creators who value intention over scale, artistry over convention. Rare sanctuary where nature sets the rhythm and life slows to something both poetic and serene. More than a residence, it is a crafted escape, a home that whispers harmony, imagination, and the beauty of time well lived.